Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make Google Photos default on iPhone. While making Google Photos as the default app sounds like a simple query, in reality, things are a bit different. You can definitely use Google Photos instead of Apple Photos to view photos on iPhone, but you cannot completely keep Google Photos as the default photos or gallery app in iPhone. So first of all, install Google Photos from App Store and then tap on Settings, tap on your name, tap on iCloud, Photos, and from here disable iCloud Photos and then open your Google Photos app, tap on your profile icon to the top right corner, tap on Google Photos Settings, tap on Backup and Sync, toggle on this option from here. Now photos or videos available on your iPhone and any new photos or videos that you take from your iPhone will automatically back up to Google Photos. That's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.